In this tutorial, we will create this object using Revolve command. Click on New, select Model, click on OK. Click on the arrow near the Extrude and select Revolve. Then click on Sketch section, select this vertical plane. We are going to create this profile on this surface. The plane matching to this surface is this ZC, YC. Therefore, we will select this vertical plane, click on OK, then pan it, press Shift, scroll and drag the mouse. Create the profile. We will create this external profile. We'll take start point away from the center and create that shape. We'll take this line inclined because here is slope is there for this line and this line is parallel to this line. Create one inclined line, zoom minus, one vertical, one horizontal. We'll track the following line. We'll click at this tracking point, vertical line, horizontal, vertical. Again here inclined line will be there. Now for this inclined line, we will create one construction that we will use to create this inclined line. We'll create one horizontal line, one vertical line, and then we'll connect back to this point, end point of line 7, and press escape. Now here we will check the slope. Your slope is taper 1 in 8. That means vertical dimension is 1 when horizontal dimension is 8. Double click on this and we will give the horizontal dimension of 8, enter, and here we will give vertical dimension of 1, enter. Then we will convert these two lines to reference line. Select this line, right click and click on convert to reference. Then we will give all the dimension to other objects. We'll at first place it at readable position so that we can easily change the dimension. Now here the total length is 50, this is 20, therefore remaining will be 30. So we'll give dimension between these two lines. Click on invert dimension, select this line, click above and give the gap of 20 and enter. Then here this gap needs to be 30, escape, double click here, give the length of 30, enter. This line should be in line with this line. So we will apply constraint, click on constraint, select this line and make them collinear. So those line will be collinear. Pull this dimension out. Then this total length is 50. Double click on this and give the length of 50. Enter. Then actually we need to connect this inclined line with this line. For that we will use extend. Click on the arrow near the quick trim and select this quick extend. And click on this line. Now it is not extending automatically. For that we will have to define the boundary curve. Select here, unselect curve, select this line, then click here on select curve and click on this line. Click on close, again quick extend, click on this line. Now they are properly connected. Click on close. Then here this internal radius, here the internal diameter is 38. That means internal radius will be 19. We will place one dimension between this x and this point. Click on infer dimension, select this point. We will take this line 10 of sketch 00, and we will click on this horizontal axis X, and we will give dimension of 19 here. Escape or press middle mouse. The next will be this vertical height. Now this vertical height will be, now here total diameter is 198, internal diameter is 38. That means this vertical height will be 198 minus this 38 divided by 2. So we will double click on it. We will give 198 minus 38, that is 160, divided by 2, that means it will be 80. Enter. Take it inside, zoom it. Because of making it 80, actually shape here got merged. For that we will have to change this dimension. So this dimension will be 20. Double click here and give the dimension of 20. Then again for this dimension, now this line needs to be on the upper side. We will just click it and pull it and place it here and zoom it. Then these two lines needs to be parallel and this gap needs to be 20. Click on infer dimension, select this line and give the gap of 20. Enter. Then we need these two lines to be parallel. Press middle mouse button, click on constraint, select this line and make them parallel, or they are already parallel, there is no need to make them parallel. Escape. You can check that by clicking on this show all constraint. So here these two lines are parallel. Okay, we will cancel this show all constraint. Now this profile is ready. We will have to revolve it around this horizontal axis. Click on finish sketch. Then he is asking for specify vector, so our vector will be horizontal, this one. Click on it and specify point, we will give this endpoint, existing endpoint. Angle is 360 degree, we will keep it as it is and click on OK. So this profile is ready. Then next will be to create this cut. For that again we will click on revolve, then click on sketch section and select this vertical plane, click on OK. Then we need to create two rectangles here. Click on rectangle, select 2 point option, give the first point, second point, again give the first point and second point. Then we need these two rectangle in one line. Press middle mouse button, click on constraint, select this line and make them collinear. Same way this their thickness will also be collinear. Click on this line and make them collinear. Now here the thickness is 6, width is 12 and gap is 10 and location is 8. So this gap will be 10. Press middle mouse button, double click on this, give the gap of 10. Here this will be 12 and this will be 12. Location from this line is 8. We'll give infer dimension. We will select this line. Now here when we select this line, actually it is giving the error. Curve or edge is not parallel to the sketch plane. So we will have to use other option. So we will select this datum plane and this line and we will give the gap of, we will cancel this reference option and we will give the gap of 8. Press middle mouse button, Now they are dimensionally correct. This vertical dimension needs to be 6. Enter. In order to match this line with this line, we will work out what will be this dimension. Now from center to this top will be 198 divided by 2. It will be 198 divided by 2, that is 99, and minus this 6. Minus 6, that is 93. So this dimension needs to be 93. Now they are matching. Then click on finish sketch. Then specify vector. Vector will be this center vector. Click on it. Then specify point. Specify the start point, existing point. And now we actually want to cut this portion. Scroll down and select here subtract and click on OK. And if we want to show it like this cut shape, then we will have to change the angles. To change the angles, double click on this revolve, and here you will have to give the angle of 270. Enter. Actually we want in reverse direction. To make it reverse, click here on reverse direction. Click on OK. Click on isometric. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.